Business. The export value of officially registered goods in 1400 was $850.1 million, which does not include smuggled and re-exported goods. Exported registers in 1400 have increased by 9.4% from $776.7 million to $850.1 million. Compared to 1399, it should be said that the export of fresh and dry fruits in this year constitutes 39.1% of the total export of the country. In the year 1400, there has been an increase of 82.6% in the export of carpets compared to the year 1399. In the year 1400, there has been an increase of 10% compared to 1399, which was the period of occupation. Dry fruits, medicinal herbs, and fresh fruits constitute 55% of the country's exports, most of which are exported to neighboring countries. In the year 1400, the value of officially registered imported goods reached $5,307.8 million. The total of the above officially registered goods does not include smuggled and added goods which are exempted from customs duty. Most of the imported goods are food, petroleum products, and machinery, which make up to 50% of imported goods. Most of them are imported from neighboring and regional countries.